Through its first 3 weeks, July 2025 has been the most humid on record in Richmond. This graph shows the average July humidity in Richmond for each year since the 1940s, although a couple of years after World War II are missing from the data set. The bar on the far right shows humidity so far this month, and it is shown in the form of absolute humidity using the dew point temperature. The dew point is the point, or temperature, at which dew forms. So the higher the number, the more water vapor is actually in the atmosphere. This is different than the relative humidity reported in percent, which is a measure of how close the air is to saturation. For example, the relative humidity is still 100% during heavy snow and 30-degree weather, but it certainly doesn't feel humid outside like it does in the summer. Warmer air can evaporate more water into it, which is why relative humidity is not a good measurement here. So far this month, our average dew point is holding above the second place level from 1949, but the actual trend is even more striking. 14 of the last 15 Julys have been more humid than average in Richmond, and the higher humidity is another symptom of Richmond's warming climate, as higher humidity also keeps the low temperatures from falling as much at night. We had 16 consecutive nights that were 70 degrees or warmer in Richmond this month, the 13th longest such stretch on record. We had 31 in a row back in 2013. Higher humidity yields more water for rainfall, which is seen in both short-term rainfall intensity and total rainfall over the year. During the entire 20th century, the average rain each year in Richmond was 42.85 inches. So far in this century, that average has climbed by 9%. So it's not your imagination. It is hotter, more humid, and the rain is getting heavier in Richmond as the climate warms.